So, to all the baddies here, I have a good news. Uh, as I believe, as I am the biggest, or I want to be the flag bearer of the matriarchy and women empowerment. So, in this course, I made a step forward. I interacted with some young girls around my area and asked them if they are willing to learn to speak English. First they were shocked and they asked me fees कितनी रहेगी आपकी, but when I said it will be free of cost because I am making a baddie community and I'll be the pioneer of that, the head of the diva of that baddie community, baddie organization. So I am not stopping myself to be an empowered woman. I am spreading my wings and increasing my area. So I am making a baddie community through educating the poor young girls around me. I am learning them to speak English. I am teaching them to learn new world things. Like in later I decided that I will teach them IT skills. And you know what, you just don't need to be skillful or talented to be free or to be independent. You must be free with this. Your mind is the biggest weapon, and you must be free from your mind, be independent and empowered in your mind. So in others opinion, in the opinion of some narcissist, I am brainwashing those young girls to become a baddie, and I'm just so proud of it. So today was my first class. I learned them. So how am I teaching them or helping them to learn speaking English? I follow a role play method which I learned somewhere in my learning phase. In maybe I took a class through an organization, Unnati Foundation or something like this. They taught me how to improve your soft spoken English, so your soft skills. So from there I learned this role play method, and now I am executing this with my baddies, my future, my upcoming baddies. And you know what? This society is just so culprit and corrupted that when I told them it will be free of cost, they were shocked and they were doubtful why I am teaching them something free of cost. Because uh, education nowadays in India is the big one of the biggest business. It has been commercialized at large scale. It hurts me. It hurts me a lot. If I be serious, I feel that the उल्टी गिनती किसी भी सोसाइटी की स्टार्ट हो जाती है व्हेन यू कमर्शलाइज द एजुकेशन. In my opinion, if I became education minister, I will try to, I believe that education must be free for all the stages, for every level, for every job, and for every activity, and for every age. And there must be no limit to learn and to start learning and to study. Education be free for everyone, free for every for every um, for every stream, for every course, for every age group, it must be free of cost. Higher एजुकेशन हो या सॉफ्ट स्किल डेवलपमेंट हो, पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट हो, वॉट एवर इट इज़, इट मस्ट बी फ्री. अगर इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू save your society, educate people around you free of cost, and urge people to provide free education, because I think commercializing the education is a sin. I don't think anybody can make biggest crime than this. You have to pay for everything. I understand it can be considered, but paying for studies, this shows your sick mindedness, and this is something to be worried. I know, like, this world actually जैसे कलयुग स्टार्ट हो गया है, but people like us, we can change many things. And one more thing, boys are also coming to ask me, दीदी हमको भी पढ़ाओगी क्या? I was like, लात पड़ेगी. I just hate man. So I have started a free skill development or personality development course for my young girls. Actually, there is no age group, there is no limit, there is no fees structure, no charges. It is just free of cost, and girls come, unite, and learn and educate each other and help each other and unite with why to strengthen matriarchy. So wish me best of luck. I'm so happy I started this, and it was a very very nice experience. I communicated with 2 girls only, and now there are 4 girls. How? They told their friends there is someone teaching us how to speak English for free. So their friend also come to ask me permission. They ask me, हमें भी free पढ़ाओगी? I was like, yes. It will be free of cost for every girl. And this is how I think I am utilizing my time in a best way. So this was today's update. Goodbye. And one more thing,